Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add message button to your Instagram post. See, if you businessman or creator on Instagram, it's better to add message button on your post, because the people faster and essayist can send you a message and contact you. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. First, open your Instagram app on your device. Then, go on your profile by tapping on this little icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. So to add the message button, you need to have your account on business or creator mode, and I go to switch on it. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu. So now you need to go on settings. After that, go on account. Now, scroll to the bottom of the page, and go to tapping on switch to professional account. Continue these steps, and choose a category of your account, and select the business or creator, and continue. Now, we will go to add a new post, just tap on this. And select a photo from your gallery you want to add, and go to upload. Now, click on add message button, and Instagram will show you all your account. Then you need to select the account on you want to add this post, and go again on this. Now go to upload a post. So you can see, people who see your post he can quickly tapping on send message, and people can't send you message fast. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.